Sorkar TV.
Usambot mentira baka jila uba pedru ikatanat home police uba Prestone tatsong ulapan pawa jing sokya halor ka jingja ka baca mentakasngi ha kaba lalap ya kamediam jong hybrid udang news nem karta u hybrid kirshan bor karmudai ubang kasnong nong ra lu merbo ulay thu baya kamet lapan kit hospital bande ka postmortem bat menta gidang ap ya ka kaipon ulaong ru bawat la ompat la ban pentikna Handai ulaong baka jingyap jong hybrid ka pen i baka de ka jingsha penyap bat chen ki pulit kin le ya udan kam ban kam yi runar ki udan kti ban le ya ka kam haba mi kum kini ki jingja ba Prestone ulaong ba ki pai ba kim dai ban chukuno ba yak Sorkar lani ki pulit handai ka udan kam bha ga de ban pensu thu ki kimi ki pa ba ki de ban Phikir bha ya la ki jong ki Khun ulaong ba ki kimi ki pa ki haban hikai ya ki Khun la ka ben ta ka jingsngan ka jong ki.
And today, ultimately the police team found out the dead body of that kid, which is very very painful, and immediately we sent the dead body to the hospital for the postmortem, and now we are waiting for the report of the postmortem. But of course, from the police side, though the report is awaited, it looks like a murder case. It looks like a murder case. So now the police is on the job. I'm very soon we will be able to come out to the breakthrough of this issue, and we will be able also to book the criminal, the concerned criminal who committed such a very unfortunate crime.
Special investigation team is formed.
Investigation team is
SIT.
Under the leadership of the SP himself, SP is Kasim's. The investigation team is on.
So such cases are recurring again outside the city.
Well, I think as of now, you know better. Because see, please understand one thing. You cannot just blame the government. Because so many people, any issue happen, they blame the government. But I personally feel that we need to also have a proper education to the parents. They need to take care of the kids. Why? How the kid was disappeared. So from the police side, we are trying our best to make sure that safety of the citizens of the state is always there. But as far as criminal activities happen, I think you cannot say that the lapses happen just because of the police force. So my appeal to all the concerned is, let us also take care of our children, or let us also be little more preventive of ourselves, because nowadays you really don't know much what is going to happen. So I would like to request all the concerned to make sure that wherever you go or whatever you do, you need to also understand whether this is safe or not. It is part of the train, and let me tell you one thing, that very soon we will be able to know the culprit, or we will be able to reach to the conclusion of this criminal activities that has happened.
Pen rius pa ya kak tien la jong pen dam kam ya kabakan kiyo kak tien khasi kak tien la jong ai kan roi kan pa balai phi ong gate habangi don la ka jong ka tien khasi kerdop lani phalor beli lani khang ya katuka phalor ni ju ya ong Saka weipan, kakten kasi kam juong banya kiw yaw up, hinrengi kiw yaw tip. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, nakabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.